Deep in the forests of northwestern France, far from the cities, the roads, the noise, lies a chateau that few have ever heard of, and even fewer have seen. Château de Semur-en-Vallon is not royal, not grand, not gilded with gold. It was built in stone and solitude. Its towers don't rise to dominate, they rise to observe. There are no velvet halls, no heroic battles written on these walls. But still, the silence tells a story of the wind moving through trees, of the moss climbing up stone, of time passing gently, without asking to be remembered. Some chateaux were built to be seen, others to be found. And this one waits, quiet, unbothered, real. Château de Semur-en-Vallon is not a place you visit, it's a place you discover. And once you do, you never forget how it felt.